So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Davinci's crash problem in the budget PCs because of the caches that have been stored while you edit your videos. Now, in order to get that fix, all you need to do is just simply click on this option of playback right on the top section. Here you can see, just simply click on the playback. Now, in here, you need to simply go to this option that says delete render cache, and from here you'll see this option that says all. So just simply click on this option of all, and here it will warn you about deleting project cache. You just simply need to hit on this option of delete. Now it will delete all the cache that have been stored regarding the renders that you do on the DaVinci, and it will definitely gonna solve your problem of your DaVinci crashing or any other issue caused by the cache that have been stored on your DaVinci.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.